Well, hello FB Land. I hope we're live. Let me see. I didn't even think about looking at my own stuff. Hang tight. Oh, good, we are. All right. So, it's lunchtime. Really busy. Got some things going on. And I didn't want to have a sandwich. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try to grill a pizza on the new Traeger. First time for everything, right? Alright. So, let's see how this is going to work out. Let me make sure I'm still alive. I can't tell, guys. And I can't see I can't see the video. Alright, so, it said, in here, of course, I got the apple flavor. Actually, I think I got cherry flavored pellets going on up in here. It smells really good. And then got me a stone, nice pizza stone to go right here. So we are up to 400 degrees. Over here, I made a little homemade pizza. So let's see. See if I can put this on here without getting burned. So the first pizza, I'm gonna do a little pepperoni, mozzarella, and we'll do a thick crust. Oh, Jesus. Alright. So, I don't have one of them big long things yet. Pizza pan picker-uppers, you know. So, you're gonna put that on there. They say to, whoa, come back here. Hey, paper. They say to cook it on there for about 15 minutes or so. I don't know. It smells so good. I wish y'all had smell of this. It smells so good. Alright, I'll be back later on because I'm going to show y'all what the after product looks like. I'll be right back. We'll see y'all later. Facebook Land.